Good morning, students. We have started the novel The Guide by R.K. Narayan. We have taken some introduction to the author and his work, The Guide. R.K. Narayan wrote The Guide, and in the novel The Guide, we see that the guide is the central character Raju, and in his early life, he is a tourist guide and later becomes a spiritual guide for the villagers of Mangla. This can be called a transformation of his personality from a tourist guide to a spiritual guide. And what are the factors and events that lead him to become this spiritual guide from tourist guide? In this presentation, we will see the metamorphosis of Raju in R.K. Narayan's The Guide. Metamorphosis means transformation of one's personality from one form to other. The central theme of the novel The Guide by R.K. Narayan is the transformation of Raju from his tour guide to that of a spiritual guide. The title of the novel The Guide has a double meaning, in a sense, a double character. As a tour guide and lover, he is impulsive, unprincipled, and self interested after his imprisonment and after his transformation as a holy man. He is careful, thoughtful, and disciplined. The present novel reveals the Indian way of life and also the culture and tradition of India. The author has used typical Indian characters and Indian atmosphere to portray Indian culture. The main characters of this novel are Raju, Roji, and Marco. R.K. Narayan has given a true social picture of India through the novel The Guide. The traits of Indian manners and customs are also reflected in this novel. Hospitality of Indians is a well known trait all over the world. And we see that in the metamorphosis of Raju from tourist guide to spiritual guide, the fate plays an important role. Fate offers chances and temperament him to make these changes. Raju, the guide, is fated to be a guide by chance and temperament. He becomes a guide in the novel. In the beginning of the story, we see that he becomes a guide because he lives near a railway station in Malgudi, and where his father runs a shop near this railway station, and because of his circumstances and situations he becomes shopkeeper and later on a tourist guide. He becomes a tourist guide by the time when he is given charge of the railway shop. He buys papers and all books to rep articles. He reads and sells articles and papers to while away his home, gathers information about Malgudi, never says no, gives an information, cheats the tourist successfully, and becomes famous as a tourist guide. In fact, he tells, "It was not because I wanted to utter a falsehood, but only because I wanted to be pleasant." And meanwhile, this transformation, we see that he plays a role of lover and stage manager for Roji. His role as lover and stage manager is very appreciable. After his seduction of Roji, he is dismissed from her because of her guilt and Marco's knowledge about them. Though he is obsessed by her, he do not pursue her. Rosie comes to his house on her own as she has been deserted by Marco. His love for Rosie motivates him to look after her physical and artistic needs. The storage of money and Roji's devotion to dance compels him to arrange a public performance for her. As a result of her success and comfort, complete dedication to her profession, he becomes her manager and arranges her business affairs. He lives on on her money but also works hard for her Roji. More or less, forces turn into accepting the role. Being a capable actor, he performs to role to perfection. Being an ignorant, he does not understand the basics of dance but understands Roji's desires to be a dancer and thus financially he manages her affairs. However, Raji's obsession with dance results in alienation and loss of communication. Raju becomes bewildered and dazed. His love, jealousy, and possessiveness motivates him to hide Marco's book and Roji's signature. Basically, he does not want her to realize Marco's generosity because he was afraid that Roji can incline toward Marco if she knows about her generosity. This choice of his ironically leads to his imprisonment. In fact, he is so used to playing roles that he does not realize the extent of it. Raju satisfies the demands of villagers of Mangla after release from imprisonment. He met Velan, a peasant from a village Mangla, and he becomes a guide, spiritual guide for the villagers of village Mangla, and he feels disconcerted by the devotion of the peasant who believes that a superior soul has come to live near their village. Ironically, Raju's old habits of guidance to others when he was a tourist guide asserts itself when he wants to be honest. This time, for special attention of the villagers makes him feel uncomfortable, and so he wonders if he could do some means of escape from the company. The circle of devotees inevitably widens because he is said to have worked a miracle on Velan's stepsister. Consequently, it becomes a daily practice of Velan and other villagers.